Hey guys, welcome back. So a lot of us own a drone now and you see some of those great videos and you think, wow, that looks really cinematic. Well, I've got 5 really easy, really great drone moves that are going to help you out. So obviously a bit of a prerequisite is your drone settings. So hopefully you're flying in manual. If you're wanting cinematic, something around the 24-25 FPS and shutter speed 1/50th of a second, so twice the frames per second. And you're gonna need probably an ND filter. Well, you're definitely gonna need an ND filter because of the light. And also really shoot in D Cine-like if you really want to get the most dynamic range, shadows, bring it all back in post to make it look really crispy. So hopefully you guys have already got that. If you haven't, if you want a video on that or how to do it, let me know down in the comments. I'll sort a video out, no problem at all. So let's get into it. So let's start with a little bit of a favorite of mine, the 90 degree or the top down. I love that shot, especially when if you're nicing up, you've got really great weather as well, nice and sun behind the drone. Just looks great if you're over, say, a river, a bridge, countryside, trees, maybe even add like a little bit of a twist to it just on the drone control. Just start to twist it as well. Maybe drop down slightly as you're twisting. I think it looks great, really cinematic, easy move. Secondly, I don't think it always has to be the countryside or whatever you're filming. It can sometimes be yourself. So you coming into view. I think this looks really good, especially when you get the drone just perched maybe over somewhere where you couldn't put a tripod or something. So if you're over, I don't know, a little bit of an edge of a cliff or a hill or something, and then you just come walking into view and past. That looks really, really good. Really cinematic, really looks great. So next, the follow or the overfly. So you're walking, you're cycling, you're running, you're just going along nicely. Just press forward on your drone stick, just get it to fly straight past you. And that looks really cinematic, just adds another depth to the video. Takes your eye off the scenery when you can see a person or someone doing something in the footage as well. It's not always just about the scenery, like I've said. Adding other elements to the footage really does add to that cinema quality level. I think another great drone move is just to get it to follow you, just follow you along. I mean, for this, it makes it easy if you've got a drone with active track, so you can use that or the spotlight feature, so that just make it a little bit easier. Just looks really great, cinematic following along, especially if you can get the drone to go behind something, so you're in view, goes behind a tree, keeps locked onto you, and then you carry on walking or moving, cycling. Really cinematic, really good. And then finally, I guess the 5th one, the tilt reveal. So I like to do this in 2 ways, either just flying along straight and then just tilt the gimbal upwards. So make sure in your settings you activate upward gimbal. You can go up to about 30 degrees on my Air 2. So you're just revealing the landscape, or if you fly down really low and then just keep flying forwards and bring the drone up. So as you're flying up, you're bringing more of the landscape or the horizon into view. So I hope you found those 5 shots useful. Go out, try them, let me know how you get on. Please like the video, subscribe, some more drone stuff coming, some Insta360 stuff coming, lots of tech, lots of cameras. I'll catch you next time.